Okay, looking at the scope pattern, trying to analyze what we got signal-wise coming out of this. Oop, too fast. Okay, this is cylinder number 4 as it comes up, because we know the firing order of the car. But we've got a bow in this here, a secondary pattern on, the primary pattern on that coil does not look good. And then the next one up actually looks a little worse. And you can see this is the trigger from the computer releasing it from ground, causing the arc. And then basically we've got, this is cylinder 1, the one previous is cylinder 4. We know that based on the firing order of the vehicle, which is 153624. So the one that we saw first was number 4, and then this just repeats, so it's 153624 again. So at least these 2 coils are no good. I've got one other that doesn't look so great. We've got codes in the car for cylinder 4 and cylinder 5 misfires. I don't know if it's just misidentifying what's in there, whether it's misfiring, but I can get a trigger on number 1, and I can get a trace on the coil ramp in cylinder 1, and basically I can see that the coil ramp is no good here for that cylinder. So you go to the next one for comparison. We've got some turn on oscillations here, ramps up pretty smoothly. Scoot to the next one. It's a slight bow in there, but that's still just a ramp instead of a jump upwards and then ramping. That over. So go to that one again. Oop. Yeah, that one looks pretty good. We should be coming up on, yeah, this should be number 4. So every time number 4 comes up, we have a problem out of that pattern. And we scoot again to the next one, which should be cylinder 1, because we get the trigger again. Again, same pattern. So basically got 2 cylinders that for sure have got problems on the coils. And we may also need some plugs. And we may have a third coil that's got a problem, given that we've got a 305 code as well. So that's what I'm seeing.